right, everybody. Well, as you know, these are some of my favorite videos to do. And this time, I know we're not supposed to have favorites, but this is also one of my favorite brands, right? So I'm super excited to welcome Wilfredo to the Enviro-Master family. Go ahead, Wilfredo, tell us a little bit about yourself, how you set up your business, and where you're located.
Yeah, we are in Northern Virginia, southern part of DC for those that don't know, obviously. But Northern Virginia, we pretty much are going to be working all the way to almost Richmond, Virginia. We are very excited to join Enviro-Master. It's going to be me and my son. So it's like it's a father-son duo. He's not here right now because he decided to take a small vacation before actually starting. But I'm glad because you're going to be busy.
Well, and it's cool. I think we should tell everybody that Wilfredo's in his future office, in his warehouse. He's got boxes back there. He's unpacking, just got back from training and raring to go. So that's awesome.
Yeah, we're doing that, and we're waiting for the big shipment today, or the paper products are supposed to arrive anytime. But yeah, we are launching in a week, so we are just doing the final touches and getting ready to go.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today. Then I know you're busy. Larry, tell everybody just a little bit about Enviro-Master. I know it's hard to get in a 30-second pitch, but
yes, the
anyone
elevator
can do
pitch.
it can.
Well, he's good at those. He's good at those 3-second pitches.
Right. Toilet sneezing.
Well, Enviro-Master, basically, we kill the germs that kill businesses. So we go out and disinfect and sanitize anywhere in the facility. We do focus on restrooms because that is the epicenter of where germs start, but we can do front of the house, back of the house, anything for any business we can take care of for you, as well as sell products, toilet paper, paper towels, hand sanitizer, stuff of that nature. So it's a great business right now in the world. It's a huge demand, and we're really excited about the future. So that's Enviro-Master in a 30-second.
Awesome. Well, thank you. So, Wilfredo, what kind of drew you to this brand? I mean, we looked at a couple, and this one just kind of kept standing out. At first, though, you weren't sure. I remember we had to kind of, come on, just take a look at it. So what ended up kind of pushing you over into the lane of this is the one for me?
Yeah, well, when you're looking at franchises or when you're looking to open any business, right? And especially when you're looking at franchises, there is a cost associated with acquiring a franchise at the beginning. Everybody knows that. So my thought was, okay, how can I get, how can I maximize and then my, ROI and sustainability, right? You get open a business via franchise, your percentage or your success rate goes much higher than if you're trying to do it on your own. But even within that franchise arena, I wanted something that I knew was going to stick, that I knew had future potential, and that it was needed, right? And then obviously we're coming off of this pandemic that everybody is so concerned about now, sanitizing everything. Anything you touch has to be sanitized, I guess. And people are relaxing a bit more, but still, there's a lot of interest in the business, a lot of potential customers out there. I mean, like Larry said, pretty much anybody is a customer, potential customer. And I mean, on the way that I was starting to look at it was like, man, you know what? This is something that everybody, if they could afford it, I mean, they would want it. The only reason that, somebody could convince me, oh no, I don't, is because they cannot afford it. And then fine, you know what? Okay, but there's going to be tons of people that I know that are going to be able to afford it because we are very reasonably priced, and they're going to need it, they're going to want it. And then longevity. I want this business to eventually be my son's business so that he can then build some wealth for himself. And then along all of these other franchises that I saw, these ones stuck out because of those reasons, right? And after going through the process, obviously acquiring the franchise, going to training and all of that, I'm convinced that we made the right decision.
That's awesome. Well, congratulations, and thank you for working with me and for trusting the process. I know sometimes it can get a little convoluted in the beginning where we're just kind of going in this weird path. And I appreciate your trust in sticking with it and sticking with the thought that, wow, restroom hygiene, what do I think about that, right? So very good. Well, guys, we're going to pop the confetti and celebrate this moment for Wilfredo and his son. So we're going to go 3, 2, and 1. Okay. That's perfect. That's perfect. Well, thank you again, Wilfredo. Thank you so much. I really sincerely appreciate you working with me, and I'll be in touch. I like to follow up usually at this time, training. So, and then in a couple of months, just how is it going and how is all those B2B connections working out? So
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
thank you for, bringing this opportunity to us, and let's see where it takes us, right?
Absolutely. Lisa, love working with you. Like
Absolutely,
always,
absolutely.
Wilfredo, it was a pleasure. You're a friend for life. And hopefully we can have some more dinners together here soon.
Yes, sir.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Guys, take
Thank
care.
you.